Hi, I'm Stephanie, and today I'm going to talk about the benefits and the differences a t-shirt printing program can make on a school. Not only for the benefit of the students, but also the school itself. Today we'll take a look at what the different curriculums look like with a heat press, how easy and affordable it is to start a program or apply for a grant for one. We'll also take a look at the equipment that's needed to get started, and we'll also chat with some educators who are using this t-shirt printing program in a real school. If you're new to the channel, Transfer Express is the leading supplier of screen printed and digital heat transfers for apparel printing. With 2 production facilities in Ohio and Arizona, we're able to meet the demand for our customers nationwide. Now we're dedicated to customer service, and helping custom apparel businesses grow is our #1 priority. Everything we do is focused on making sure we send high quality, fashionable custom transfers on time and on budget. We'll take a look at the different equipment that is available to you for your t-shirt printing program inside your school. They range from different budgets and also different space restrictions. For instance, this craft press here is perfect for a small amount of space and a small budget. We can move up to the A to Z press, which swings away. You'll need a little bit more space on your counter space, but it's a great affordable way to start your t-shirt printing program. We can also upgrade to a Hotronix auto clam on a caddy, easy to move around the school wherever it's needed. It's perfect for a small space. It has an auto open feature that pops open, easy to follow buttons and manuals. All of these heat presses are not only easy for educators to use, they're also for students to be able to use. T-shirt printing programs in the schools is also great because you don't have to stock apparel if you don't want to. You don't have to get left with a ton of sizes or styles in your stock room that aren't selling. You can print as you go on demand with the apparel and the transfers. What's also great is you can get the kids involved. Students love to be a part of creating a t-shirt. You can offer them to create a contest. The winning design gets their design printed on the shirt for whatever event or program is happening at the school. These are all great ways and reasons to start a t-shirt printing program in your school. And once you have your students' artwork, you can upload it onto transferexpress.com, making heat transfer ordering super simple. Not only can you upload your custom artwork from the students, we also have a collection of layouts in our EasyView online designer that is a free tool to Transfer Express customers. And your t-shirt printing program doesn't have to stop there with just a heat press and heat transfers. You can go beyond that with other printing methods like vinyl cutting and sublimation printing. Now let's hear from real educators about what they have to say about using a heat press in schools. Tell us who you are, what school you teach at, and what subject.
So my name is Trisha Campbell, and I teach at Meridian High School in Macon, Illinois, which is a small rural school district. We only have about 300 kids in our high school, and I am a business teacher. So aside from my t-shirt screen printing class, I teach graphic design and computer applications and web design. Other things I could teach are marketing, introduction to business management, all of those sorts of things.
How did you first get interested or inspired with decorating shirts?
So I have personally been a dealer for Transfer Express since 2008, running my own business out of my garage. It used to be if it was someone's birthday or if it was homecoming week or powder puff football, you went to like Walmart and you bought a plain t-shirt and puffy paint and you made your own shirt. And right around 2005, 6, 7, I started noticing people weren't just drawing on with Sharpie or puffy paint, making their own shirts. They were going and getting shirts made. And I just saw that to be profitable, actually. So I found Transfer Express for me and then brought it into the school because I thought they should be doing this. They should be learning all these things.
How did you start or implement your program?
At my school, it was pretty easy. My administration here is awesome, and we are super lucky that we are close to a global corporation, ADM. And my principal saw this as a perfect offshoot for the business department. And so he just kind of told ADM, we have this great new idea, and they gave us a grant. I pitched it, like I said, as 5 or 6 classes rolled into one, and we'll just call it entrepreneurship because they're running their own business.
What difference has the program made for your students or your classes?
The kids that are in this class take huge ownership in what they're doing. They're thinking about it all the time. It has kind of taken over their mindset and turned them into entrepreneurs. I have students who are homesick for the day, and they'll text me and say, the soccer order has to be done by 3 p.m. Do you have somebody who can cover? And they've taken ownership in that, and they know it's not just like, oh, well, I took the day off. They know what it's like to be an integral part of a corporation, right? A company where you have to get this done because you have customers counting on you. They're growing up being in this class. It matters more to them, than maybe a part-time job that they would, because they feel like owners.
What benefits has the t-shirt printing program brought to your school?
We can sell things to our clubs and teams and organizations at a more reasonable price and faster probably than going somewhere else. So everything being in-house, super convenient. Our coaches can see me in the hallway and walk by and say, oh, I forgot, senior night for soccer is on Friday. Do you think you could get 4 shirts for our seniors by Friday? Absolutely. Let's see what old soccer transfers we have. I'll put their name and number on the back. Like, people that order shirts from us could order from anywhere, but they want to give students a real workplace opportunity. So they order from us, and that's great. We're busy year round.
What advice would you have for other educators who are looking to get into a program like yours?
Yeah, so I would say the easiest way to start is to establish a relationship with Transfer Express and buy the best press you can afford in your budget. Once you get going, you'll say, I wish I had started this sooner.
So now I'm going to take you to the heat press and show you how easy it is to create some spirit wear using your heat press and screen printed transfers. I have my apparel item. Again, you can decorate t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, polo shirts, you name it. I've got a long sleeve shirt here, and I have my heat press set at 365 degrees. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my gang sheet and a pair of scissors and easily cut the design from the sheet that I want to use. So now that I have my one color goof-proof transfer here and my shirt is pre-pressed, I can go ahead and ink side facing down, place it on my fabric. And then once we're ready, we can go ahead and lock down the heat press for 5 seconds, super fast, and we'll have a screen printed shirt ready to go. We peel the transfer paper away immediately, and then we have our spirit wear ready to be sold and worn by students and parents and fans. Subscribe to our channel for weekly ideas and tips about t-shirt printing and how to maximize your business opportunities. Like this video if you've learned something today, and comment down below if you have questions or ideas that you would like to share with our printing community. I am Stephanie. Thank you for watching. Happy pressing.